Assalamualaikum everyone. This tutorial is about the types of maps. What is a map? A map is basically a symbolic depiction of any place. It means a pictorial representation of any place, including all the necessary details about location and the meanings of all the symbols which have been used on the map. So let's discuss about the types of map. The first type of map is the political map. The political map is that kind of map that shows us the boundaries between cities, countries and the neighboring countries, and it might be between the towns and the cities as well. In this map you can see here, this map is showing us the boundary of the provinces, the countries and the neighboring countries, and some other boundaries as well. So this is known as the political map. Political map is also known as administrative map. Okay, so the next type of the map is the physical map. Physical map is that kind of map that shows all the physical features that are present on that map. For example, in this map you can see here, you can see the water body, the land body, and you can see some of the plain land and the plateaus, the mountains. So it is all about the physical features of the earth. The physical map will not include the information regarding the boundaries of countries or maybe the cities, towns. It will only include the information regarding the physical features. Okay, so the next type of the map is the relief map. Relief map is a very interesting map because it shows us the heights of places. How? We can understand about the heights through legend. You know that legend is the key which explains the colors scheme or maybe the meanings of the symbols that has been used on the symbols that have been used on the map. So in this map, this brown part, let's see which what is this color showing and what is this color telling us. This color is telling us that this brown part is almost 2000 meters high from the ground, and this white part, this is almost 9000 meters high from the ground. So this is how we know about the heights on a relief map. Whenever you hear this term relief map, always take it in the sense that we are talking about the heights of the places. So now I have discussed about the three basic types: the relief map that shows us the heights of the places, the physical map that shows us the physical features, and the political map that shows us the boundary between cities, countries and towns and cities. Okay, so this is all about the basic types of maps. Thank you.